Bara ya kuhurana na dawa ugwati cia kuhuthika urimi-ini ni ndukoretwo gitwarithio na mbere makiria ni ikundi cia kuhuranira ihoto cia umundu na kuria muthia bara eno yarigiriirie na minista wa urimi Mutahi Kagwe kwanirira gwikira mukana uhuthiri wa mithemba 50 ya dawa ici. Nuri ngwataniro cia kuhuranira ihoto cia umundu hamwe na ikundi cia kuhurana na dawa thumu urimi-ini ni ciumiritie na kwenda minista Kagwe gwitikira kwanirira king'ang'a-ini maritwa ma mithemba ya dawa iria irikitie kugirio kuona nginyagia umuthi thirikari ndiriratariria dawa iria irikitie gwikirira mukana.
Tugakiuria thutha kwendekithia kana thutha kwanirira ati thirikari ni gukorwo keheria products icio 50 tukorwo tukirwo ni iriku that the list be made public na tumenya ni iriku niguo na tukorwo tukina uhoti wa ku advise farmers ati products ici ni ireherio na tukorwo twina alternatives tukera onakorwo ni cireherio hena ingi registered arimi mangihuthira.
In 2023 we did a scientific report with Kenyan scientists and identified the products that needed immediate withdrawal, phased out withdrawal, and those that can be used but with proper monitoring.
Bigana na Ann Maina kuma gikundi kia Biba, mithemba 50 ya dawa nini muno kuona uthuthuria wa ikundi ici mwaka-ini wa 2022 wonanirie ati mithemba 310 nicio itakinyanirie kwenderio arimi kuria ningi uthuthuria uyu wonanirie ati uhuthiri wa dawa ici ni ugwati kuria aria irio iri kuritio nacio ona kuria arimi aria macirimite.
We identified 8 ingredients. The products were over 300. So we are very concerned and would like to know with these 50 products, which are they and what ingredients are in there. On the issue of whether the products that have the 50, how they are going to be removed from the market, we continue with our advocacy efforts and even sensitizing our farmers at the ground about the dangers of these products.
Ugwati munene ni ati mithemba eno ya dawa irehagwo mabũrũri-inĩ ma Afrika tari kiara-ini raikio kuona dawa ici ikoragwo igiritio kuhuthika mabũrũri-inĩ maria ithondekagirwo kwa muhiano mabũrũri ma gitaro kia Rũraya na Amerika ya rũgongo indi arimi matiheagwo ciĩgiĩ ugwati uria ukoragwo makũrĩire maitho.
We call on the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock to formulate specific regulations to implement the double standards provisions introduced under Business Laws Amendment Act 2024. Clear and enforceable regulatory guidelines are critical to ensure these legal safeguards translate into meaningful protection for Kenyan farmers, consumers, and the ecosystem.
Nitukoretwo tugika pesticide residues na indo iria irakurio na dawa icio na tugakora ati ona ciagethwo muico-ini ni iratigara hari mimera iyo tugacoka tukamiria.
Ona gutuika rianirira ria kuheana mikana hari uhuthiri wa dawa 50 ni urikitie gwikika thirikari ikaruta mahitia kumana na ati dawa ici no irendio matuka-ini na no iraingira mihaka-ini ya goko bururi-ini riu thirikari ikioneka kuraria hari gukinyaniria mikana yayo.
Dawa imwe irauma nginya mabũrũri maya turiganitie namo ti registered Kenya no ni registered mabũrũri-ini macio no ni iraingira na tukona arimi ni maracihuthira. Ta riu last year Pest Control Produce Board ni yaniriire active ingredients 8 iria ciarĩ withdraw by 31st December 2024 no wari matuka-ini ni urakora dawa icio bado ni cirendio thoko-ini na arimi ni maracigura ona arimi matiui ana agrovet amwe matiui kana ni cia withdraw iro.
Harũni Kameme TV Retoro Bataro wa Mwangi.